Hey guys, we're at the airport. It's been a long night. It's only 6:30 in the morning. And he's looking for some movies to watch. So yeah, we're just waiting to board. We're flying with United today. So I'm excited. It's our first trip together. And we're going to Turks and Caicos. So I'm really excited. This is what's going on. Ooh. So yeah, we're just waiting to board. We should be boarding in the next, I think, 20 or 30 minutes. And then we'll see you guys when we get down there. We just landed, waiting to deboard the plane. Oh no, I have a pimple. It's gonna be a while because we're all the way in the back. Made it to Turks. We made it, y'all. We're here, waiting for our bags. He just got his first stamp. And you hype?
You hype?
She stamped it, and the ink actually worked. Sometimes they don't stamp it, and then you'd be like, "Why did I just travel all this way with no proof?" But we here. Okay, we're waiting to get a taxi. Yeah, we're waiting to get a taxi so we can get to the Airbnb. Airbnb is like 20 minutes away from here, which is nice. It's not too far. So let's just see.
Baby, what's the rush? I can see the liquor, how it tickles at your lips. Looking for some fun, come a little closer, let me show you how it is. Let's move.
Hey guys, we made it to the Airbnb. It's really cute in here. Hi. This is our room. This is the bathroom. We're staying with 2 other people whose rooms are across the way. And then we have like a little patio, and you guys can barely see you guys can see the pool over there. So, yes. I'm just unpacking, getting myself together. So let me sit you guys. But yeah, I want to change out the airport clothes. I really want to shower. I love me a shower. But I'm just gonna unpack. Where's a good hook for this? It's a sliding door. Because I was like, what? I'm just gonna leave this here. Gonna hook that right there. This is downstairs, guys. It's so cute. The couches are facing each other, so you guys can like talk, or you can all sit on one side and watch TV. That's what it looks like when you first enter. Yeah, I'm hungry. Okay, I'm tearing up this chicken. This is a half bath, washer, dryer. Love that. Okay. And then dining room, kitchen. I love this. So cute. I love a cute home. I went to the supermarket. This was like $8, $9. This was $5. So it's pretty good. Just ready-made chicken. Today's a chill day. Just getting acclimated. Not trying to do too much. So I probably won't record much today. But we'll see. I'm just really happy to be here. So cover up is from Amazon. I'm wearing a blue bathing suit. He got all his beach gear on.
No, I'm not wearing
You look good.
No, man, I'm giving
Keep it on.
I'm giving it to Daryl.
No.
Let me give it to Daryl.
You look good. You look like you're ready for the water.
I know.
That water felt good.
I know.
You coming?
I give it to myself.
You're not gonna wear it.
No.
Well, at least take that off.
I got you.
You hype? You went to Turks and Caicos? Mind you, when we first started dating, he was pissed that I came down here on a girls trip.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, dog?
I'm just walking, trying to get to the main road.
Bingo rights.
Oh my god. We don't
Bingo.
even know where we're going. I didn't like the conch place. They're having something tonight, but I don't like their menu. And we're not gonna eat conch.
The heck is that?
The seafood thing that they eat here.
What's it called?
Conch. CONCH. So, okay, now what? I think it's over. I'm not quite sure what it is. We're just walking aimlessly. Is it this way? No, I think it's
That's the way we went.
this way.
That's the way we went when we thought the house was that way.
The other way? They got some really nice houses down here. Coco Bistro and the Coco Van. You want to go to the van? You want to go to the van? The food truck? This way?
Oh, yeah.
See what they got going on in there. I don't know what time they close.
What's the native tongue here?
English. They speak English. I don't know if they speak any other language. I know there's a lot of Haitian, so there's Creole, but that's okay. The menu's right here. sat down to get 2 double burgers and some drinks. We got the music playing, so I can't stay on for long, but gonna have some dinner. We took a nap earlier, kind of just recharge. And we'll see where the night takes us. There's no Coke Zero, so Diet Coke will do. So thirsty. Gotta wait for my burger.
Make sure you connect to
We got our food. This is what the double burger is looking like with the special sauce. Okay. Right. Or like, this is what it's looking like. Definitely need some salt. And then tomato ketchup. I gotta shake this up, it's too liquidy. The burgers are good. I probably could have got away with a regular, but it's only $2 different. You got the same thing. We're at Island Scoop. The cookies and cream is popular. It's almost gone.
Can I get just a small of the? Can I get a little bit of chocolate, a little bit?
How cute is it in here? We got a little chairs. I told you, it's the island.
just cookies and cream and salted caramel.
It's really good. That was a good choice.
You know me. Oh, we gotta mix it, right?
I told you, you wasn't gonna get it. I told you. We're headed to Blue Bar Lounge. It was, what, a 20-minute walk thing?
Yeah, hit or miss.
Yeah, we made a couple stops, but it was a 20-minute walk straight up the road. Everything's on Grace Bay Road, so go in there, have a little shisha, and then call it a night. It's so dead on a Wednesday. No. Y'all got low stairs? Oh, we got hop. Hey, one foot at a time. Oh, I do remember this place, actually. So we just did all that for nothing.
She did all that for them.
I've been wanting a hookah for like 3 weeks. Like, so we go to the hookah lounge. They don't have hookah. They don't only have it on Fridays and Saturdays. Like, what? So today's Wednesday. So now we're gonna take another 20-minute walk back because there's no taxis anywhere. And just gonna hang out. We're just gonna hang out at the villa. It was a good little walk. We found some spots where we're gonna be at tomorrow, so it wasn't a complete waste.
It was a complete waste.
It wasn't a complete waste. Don't say that. They got cigars in here. Oh look, it's a gift shop actually, babe. Get a shot glass before we leave. You know I always get a shot glass. I already have a Turk. I gotta get another one.
There you go.
Oh. Well, I guess we just saved ourselves some money tonight.
We did.
So let's just put that towards the weekend. Weekend gonna be a couple $100 for sure. So I'm so short compared to him. Don't walk faster. Yeah. Huh? Are we crossing?
No, we're just trying to
The steps are right here. Babe, there's nothing to figure out. We're just walking straight. You don't know how to walk straight?
I had sunglasses on at night.
Take them off. You had them on all day.
Yeah.
You had these glasses on all day. By the time, when you take them off, your eyes gonna hurt from seeing actual light.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and you gonna have a big old dent on your nose.
The fact that these drones never came off.
We had them on all day. We got lit at the pool. They playing Sean Paul. Are they open, babe?
I'm telling you, they're open, lady.
Should we check it out or no? Or should we just call it quits?
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done with you.
We'll call it quits. No hookah for me.
They don't sell hookah on
Weekdays. Well, Shishas are really big. I doubt they have hookah tonight. I'll be sick if they do, but whatever. Just go hang out by the pool. We're waking up early tomorrow anyway, so we don't gotta overdo it today. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna head downstairs to the pool. This is the end of day 1. I will catch you guys in the morning. I'm about to have breakfast at the Turquoise Cafe.
Baby, what's the rush? I can see the liquor, how it tickles at your lips. Looking for some fun. Come a little closer, let me show you how it is.
You should speak French.
What's the difference?
There's a big difference.
Because
you can't speak Creole to a French person.
Omelette du fromage. That's not
Omelette.
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 Omelette du fromage.
Omelette.
Omelette du fromage.
You need to do your Duolingo.
I've been trying.
I have him doing Creole Duolingo. Yo, that's exactly why he be getting in trouble.
Yo.
Guys, this bathing suit top, I'm risking it all today. Where you going?
You're about ready. So you're about ready.
They're not ready. They're not ready. No, they're not ready. You're good. We're just chilling. we saw this car accident, and the front of the car,
The other car.
the front of the yellow car, right? The bumper. Oh, there it is.
No.
What was it?
The yellow car's door frame was still glued to the front of the other car.
Yeah, so it's crazy. It was really cute in here. I love all the blue. Bye, thank you. Now we're going to the beach. And I'm so excited. We got umbrellas. We're ready this beach trip. We got umbrellas, a towel to lay on. Woo! What? Today is a beach day and I'm really excited about it. So pretty out here. So yeah, we're gonna do beach and then we're gonna do beach and then we're gonna go to the fish fry tonight. We just had breakfast. Breakfast was okay. I should have just got something simple. I got like a grilled cheese with bacon, but like, I did what I had to do. I want to make sure my thing's closed. So, I got braids sticking out. Child, looking crazy. I'm about to get in this water though and enjoy the water. Love it. There's a lot of people with boats and selling parasailing and water activity. He said it was $85 for that. I got another flyer from somebody. I got another flyer. So it's all over. Coral Reef experience, and he told us that he drives to Noah's Ark. So I'll keep his information. I do have a plug, but if the plug don't come through, gotta have a backup option. You feel me? You feel me? When you travel, you always gotta keep your plugs. Cause you're gonna come back. And when you come back, and when I say plug, you gotta be a plug that's local. Don't have no tourist plug. That don't make no sense. You gotta have a local plug. Cause they know all the behind the scenes. Guys, this is the part of the trip where I put my robe on. I get the TV going. I got my wine and I got my burger, and I'm gonna set up and watch. I got my water, of course, and I'm gonna chill and I'm gonna watch a movie. Ooh, what's going on with the AirPlay? It says it's connected. Let me see. I'm watching voicemails to Isabel. I started it last night. I'm gonna finish it now. Why is it not connecting to me? It's not connecting. What's going on, y'all? I just woke up. My eye is like super red and irritated. I'm trying to take these lashes off because I'm like trying not to have a panic attack. But I don't know if it's the glue or what it is. But something broke off and was in my eye, scratching up my eye so bad, like so bad. Yeah, like, oh my god. I can't even get this lash off. This lash glue is so strong. But, my eye just kept on getting redder and redder, and I'm telling you, the saxophones were getting louder and louder because I was like, something hard was like, ow, hurting me, like hurting me. Oh my God, I can't even get this off. I was like, oh my God. I literally woke up and was like, what is like so hard scratching my eye? Ouch. Oh my God. Oh, look how red my eye is. Bro. Mind you, like, it was more red than this. It's starting to clear up. But it was like so red and like it scared the crap out of me. It scared the crap out of me. I take them lashes off so fast. Oh. My eye, like, I don't know what.
What's going on with your eye,
babe? My eye was so red.
Inside or outside?
Inside. I literally thought I was gonna lose my eye, babe. I just ripped all those lashes off.
What was happening?
Hey y'all, this is the fit. Fashion Nova. This is what I'm gonna wear to the fish fry. And you guys know I just took those lashes off because absolutely not. My eye is still red. But, yeah, struggling. But yeah, super excited. That's the fit. Very simple, very cute. I'm gonna have my little purse. And that's it. Ready for the fish fry. Look, man, it said these nuts right there. Right there. Right on the Turks and Caicos, right in front of us. The green. The green on the white tent. Oh, there's plenty of food everywhere.
Coming closer, know that I'm a mess. Tangled up in wires, I can't catch my breath. I run. Falling deeper, I cannot confess. Drowning in the chaos, I can't catch my breath. I run.
So many people here.
Okay? We don't do that. So when my lovely, beautiful chocolate
and there's a lot of like souvenir stuff here too, which is
and rumble on about these lovely girls down here. When they come on the stage,
I already have a Turks and Caicos shot glass, but it's like old.
Feel like they have already won the crown. All right, they are all winners. They are all winners. They are all queens. So we're just gonna make them feel in their element. All right. So let me just practice. I'm gonna be contestant number 1. You're gonna introduce me.
Information now, please say love me. Information now, please say love me. Information now, say love me. Coming closer, know that I'm a mess. Tangled up in wires, I can't catch my breath. I run. Falling deeper, I cannot confess. Drowning in the chaos, I can't catch my breath. I run.
anyway, so I think it's a good time to go. This was really all we had planned for today. I don't really think that there's anything else going on tonight, so probably just gonna wrap it up. It's day 3. It's day 3? Yeah. Having some breakfast before the beach. I think I slept too much. I went to sleep at midnight. My body hurts. I woke up at like 3 in the morning. I just had to go to the bathroom. Okay. There we have it. Hey, we're in Shades Cafe. Oh, this is all like police stuff. How cute! It's really cute in here. What are these, bags of coffee? Like, yeah, they are. Cool. This is what Shades Cafe is looking like. Back at the beach, he's out there snorkeling. He found some shells. He's in there being a little fish. Look at him in the back. He might be burnt for his glasses though. Not gonna lie. Burnt. Because these look good on me actually. Me like it. Babe, just let me get on. Before you kill our swan. Come on. Alright, come on. Wait, I'm strangling the swan. Take this off. Hold on. I'm gonna sit on it from here. Let me sit from here. No, I can't. I can't.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling, that would make you smile? I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles. Something's changed. baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always be. I didn't know when I found you that I would find a love so true. And you can see it in my eyes. That girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours.
So cute out here. This is lunch. So this is the beef. I got a beef and a chicken. Fresh off the fryer. It's hot. The crust is good though. What's that juice?
Passion fruit mango.
Passion fruit mango. That's a good combo. That's good. You tasted it? That's really good. I love anything mango though. That's good. That mango tastes fresh. You eating a regular or the mega?
The mango's wrong.
You ate it? Oh, they didn't have it. Yeah. It was good. It looked like a burger. Like a burger patty. I thought she was deaf staring at me. Like what?
You didn't watch yours, Dina? Yeah, watch it.
Sister, we gave you a shirt. 20% off. Let me take card. I don't see one. What's that? Oh. Okay.
Well, you have an excellent evening. Thank you. Thank you all so much. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
How are you all today?
Good.
Is that sign true? 20% off for clothes?
Yes.
It is.
What's your largest size?
Do not put anything on your skin.
Beautiful, girl.
Thank you.
Like it's so pure.
Thank you.
You know, some people want to go and bleach it out and make it.
Oh, no.
Don't
This
mess
is
it up. Don't
natural.
mess it up.
All natural. Try to see something that's really nice. Y'all, I have to start getting ready. We just got back from the patty place and I have to start doing my makeup. What? Y'all, I gotta start doing my makeup because we have to leave in like 20 minutes. We're on a boat. We got some rum punch and got a beer. It's like unlimited drinks, so it's really good. Cheers.
That's kind of a vibe. It's like you're in your palace. Yeah. Yeah. As long as you're in the water or you're in the AC.
Drake, let me come over. Turks 2028. Now he probably gonna have this done before that. We're having chips and salsa. And it's really, really good. I dropped it on my thigh. This frostbite's getting hard. It's super windy, golly. We just made it to Mr. Grouper's. I absolutely love it here. Thank you. I want everything. I want absolutely everything on this menu. I just love it here so much. I'm gonna start off with some deep fried rolls. feeling so bad because I want wings every day. Like, let go of the wings. Go. I'm on vacation. Why would I let go of the wings? I'm definitely getting oxtails. I've been wanting oxtails this whole trip. I'm gonna pay $40 for some oxtails. I don't care. Give me some oxtails. But where them sides at? Yeah?
You want to say it? You want to say it?
No, they have us here because we're two. They have us here because we're two. So cool. Oh, this is Saturday night. Live band. How is it?
Yeah.
It's good. What does it taste like? Fish?
It tastes like a crab cake.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like a seafood type thing.
Yeah.
How's the Mr. Grouper sauce?
Good. Well, yeah, baby. I'll go.
That sauce is good. I forgot how conch tastes like. I like these. I don't know what I had last time, but
It tastes like a crab cake.
they do taste like a crab cake. Like the filling.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't remember it tasting like this before. But my taste buds probably evolved over the years. It's like an elevated crab cake.
Yeah, man. I'll take the shoes back. I had my face the whole time.
He got the, what is it, tomahawk? I got some rice. And then my little, I know, why did I say tomahawk? Oxtail I've been wanting for so long. Oh man. So excited for this. Guys, it's the next day. It's our last day.